Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve call black screen. To know how to fix or how to solve call black screen, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will search about Messenger. Then in this list of app info, you will click on first stop and you click OK. Here we'll go to click storage. Then this page we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. If you will find the update, you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.